This is just such a beautiful morning. It is Sunday, June 15th, 2008, on the island of Maui, Hawaii. There's the ocean. Just listen to those birds. Isn't that nice? There's the ocean. That's the little putting range down there. Palm trees, Norfolk pines. There's some flowers. See the flowers there. Isn't it beautiful? Let's see if I can catch a bird somewhere. There's a little guy. There he is. Not sure what kind of a bird that is. He's a cutie pie. Hey, little guy. There's a... Hi, little guy. What you doing? Hi. Hi. I've been feeding him bread. Yeah. My goodness. Oh, here's a minor bird. Hi. Oh, he took off. I believe we have a guy mowing the lawn over there, I think. Yeah, there he is. There he is. Yeah. This is a really nice morning. Beautiful and warm. Another little bird in the tree. There's one flying around up there. Okay. Well, I guess that's all for now. We have to go home today. Aloha, everybody.